Welcome to the Affincome Training Kit Chapter 17. How to find best domain name ideas. In this video, we will see how you can find the best domain name ideas, step by step. So let's get started. So we start with namemesh.com, and here it says, your awesome domain name is waiting. Here in the search bar, paste your main domain name keyword and search. So here you get all the suggested domain names with your main keyword. And they have been organized in different categories like new, common, short, extra, fun, mix, and SEO domain names. All these are domain names best for SEO. From top, you can choose registration like .com, .io, .co, .net, etc. Right now registered domain names have been hidden, uncheck it. And you can also see registered domain names as well. Red ones are registered and all the green ones are not registered. So this way you can find the best domain name ideas for your business. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to the next video, Chapter 18. The Niche Site Model for Amazon Affiliate Blog. In that video, we will take a look at the niche site model for Amazon Affiliate Blog, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.